Well, good day everybody. Let's get you all a little progress update. Things were going really good up until the rain came back. The weather cooled down. We were having some 70 plus degree weather. It was really nice. Got a lot done on the exterior. I'm in here kind of just reassessing things, seeing where I want to go to next for the interior. I'm trying to focus on the outside though. That's the project I'm on right now. I'm gonna get as much exterior work done as possible before I come back inside. But I did want to bring these big old battery cables back in and see what kind of length I had from where the house battery is going to be installed to where I can put it. I want to put it up as high as possible. Talking about the inverter charger that I'm going to put inside the RV. I was thinking about putting it down in the basement, but I would like to be able to keep an eye on the display and what it's doing and all that, how much power I'm using. And plus I already have those really long battery cables. Put it up as high as possible because I think my computer desk is going to be right about here. Monitor come up to about here. So yeah, I'll put that up as high as possible, and I got plenty of length to do that. Also got a little cleanup to do, but I think I'm gonna hold off on that as well. I'll just organize things a little bit. But at some point I'm going to need to clear everything out from down here so I can bring the tanks in, strap them down, and start figuring out plumbing. I really want to get that done. But yeah, I've started some outside projects. And let's take you outside and show you what I've done, what I've got going on. Nothing too crazy, but Patches is looking really good right now. And look at that, we got her lower side skirts painted there and drilled for the side marker lights, which I love. I think that's turned out perfect. 29.5-inch spacing on every single light. It's centered and spaced evenly. 8 inches from the back, 8 inches from the front edge, from this edge anyway. I also put a bullet light right there. These are going to be connected to this light anyway, and the center light will be connected to the marker turn circuit, so those will stay on with the park lights and blink when I use the turn signal, which will be really cool. And yes, we got the fenders mounted permanently and painted. Isn't that nice? Isn't that so nice? I love it. Ah, oh, she's coming together. So lovely. And the bumper is back on permanently. It's going to get in the way a little bit when I come into paint, but I can still get in there pretty good. I'll just tape the backside of this and paint this the Ford gray at some point. I'm pretty sure I want to do that while the weather is nice. I'm also just really enjoying seeing Patches come back together the way I remember her. I was down underneath here tightening the bolts, and I was just getting a flash of nostalgia from when I worked on things, changing the battery or removing the battery for some reason. I never changed the battery. It is the original battery, and that thing is still going. Where's the date on that? I think it's 2010, if I remember right. 7 of 2010. This battery is crazy, this Les Schwab battery. I'm gonna have to see if they still carry these. I think it's just a never-ending gobstopper battery. So yeah, I do want to paint this at some point, but I am just enjoying it's great seeing Patches back. Almost completely back. I need to put these side bumper shrouds on, or caps, or whatever you call them. I've also decided not to reinstall the old turn signals. They're just, I just figured, why not make everything LED? So, you see I've drilled some holes here. I'm gonna mount some plates. The plates have already been made and drilled and painted. Waiting those to cure up right now. They're inside. Waiting for that paint to get good and dry. So those will bolt right on the back side of this bumper and give me a place to put 2 of those 3/4 inch bullet lights, which I think is gonna look really cool all together. Those will also be connected to the marker turn circuit. So those will just stay on with the park lights and blink if I use the turn signal. Or if the park lights are off, they'll be off and blink when I use the turn signal. Also drilled out those side cap mounting holes so I could just use bolts. Before they had just like a self-tapping screw in there and it's corroding it out pretty good. So I thought I'd just put some 1/4 inch bolts in there. 1/4 inch bolts, 1/4 inch bolts. One's gonna mount at the top part of that. Like so. I have 1 screw there. Gonna be kind of hanging out down there. I was not thinking about it. I should have made these beams as long as those. Actually, those hang down past that, don't they? Yeah, that hangs down past that back corner. So that's, I guess that's fine then. Plus, in about a year or 2, I'm going to make a custom steel bumper for this, so I can make things look a lot better when that gets shaped to fit and do what I need to make things match up. I could always add a little bar to make some support. Yeah, this would have, if this came down straight, that would have ran into the, because this corner curls. So I guess that's fine. Also kind of gives a weird edge right there, that corner. I mean, it looks all right, but maybe in the future I'll add like a piece of angle, like a thing right there to make that transition a little better. But oh, I can't wait to get these back on. Then she'll really look like herself again. And then even more so when the headlights and the grills are back in. But yeah, I think while everything's off, I'm going to go ahead and paint her the Ford gray. It looks a little weird. I mean, I love seeing the cap just the way it was, but it's a little rough, the paint. And I don't think I'll be happy with that. Once I hit the road, a bunch of geese. That's cool. Haven't seen them in a while. But yeah, I got a bunch of prep to do. I need to clean off some of this adhesive stuff. Mask across the window. We'll paint that after pressure washing too, of course. Needs a good clean. But there she is, looking more and more like Patches every day. Getting closer and closer to hitting the road. I like what I see. I like what I see a lot. I love that the fenders are finally in and painted. The rest of the RV needs to get pressure washed and probably get another recoat in some areas. She got dirty sitting here, but that's all right. Yeah, it does not look good. All right, you guys, there's a little progress update for you. I hope you all are doing well, staying safe, and staying happy, enjoying life. Can't wait to get back out onto the road with all of you. and get back to doing all sorts of things. Got a whole list of cooking ideas I want to share with you. Can't wait to try out the new kitchen. Cannot wait to be back in my house. Alright, you guys, lots coming up. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.